Ah, I just wanted to show you something I thought was quite interesting about the design of the Hoover tumble dryer that we've got here. This is a control knob which fits onto the control panel at the front, and it just goes on there like that, like so. Now, I was looking at it. I realised there are small knobs at the side, which you can just see, I think. And there's 3 of them, and I sort of wondered why they were there. And then it occurred to me that when I removed it from the control panel, I used a flat bladed screwdriver to prise it off. So I guess that's how to do it. And the reason these protuberances are there is that it means that it can't push all the way to the space there, which would happen if these weren't here. And that means there's always a gap between it and around here, and that means you can get a screwdriver in quite easily. So that's part of the design. Someone's anticipated that this knob would be removed at some point, and it's made it a little bit easier for people like me and you.